Today I'm going to show you how to make a tassel. I'm going to link my patterns down below that include a tassel, so if you're interested to knit anything to include this beauty, check them out. So I'm going to give you dimensions now for certain things for a specific pattern. However, please read the instructions from the pattern you have in front of you in regards to tassel. Let's start. So what you need an object, in this case 5 centimeters wide, which is 2 inches. You need scissors, I use hook, and we need 2 strands, and each strand is 16 inches long, which is 40 centimeters. So those dimensions may change. Next thing what we do, we take a yarn. We're going to wrap certain number around the object, flat object. In this case, we'll do it 20 times. How do we count? Every time your hand will go up, so meets another finger. That's 1, 2, 3. Once you have it 20 times, you cut it at the same spot when you have the other one and move it around. So this is the overall length of our tassel. The top is over here. Now we're taking one of the strands, and what I like to use a hook like this and pull it through. Grab 2 ends together and pull. Now we're going to do a knot first one way, pull, and then all the way across. And put this bit on the side and here over here, and we're going to cut now along this side. So what I like to do, I like to keep this on the side and stretch this bit. With my thumb, I decide how long I want it to have, and normally I like to keep it this way. I'm taking another strand, I'm putting it like this, and I'm crossing it like that, taking it, putting over here, and wrapping around. And now at this point, I can definitely loosen up a bit, and if I want to, I can change and hold over here. You can make it thin, you can make it thick. So I'm going down, and then I'm going up. The last bit, I'm pulling the end through the loop and holding it with my finger. And now I need to find the end for this loop. So I'm gently pulling, and you could see that one is moving, which is this one. So I'm pulling it down, and if the end is long, then I'm helping myself with and pulling it down. Lovely. Next thing what we do, we trim it, putting into my hand, and I can see what I need to cut. But basically this is it, and now let's tie it to the shawl. So here is a shawl. This is the wrong side of the shawl. And in this pattern we have a hole. You put the tassel like this, you find the hole with your finger, and you're pulling the yarn through. We cross first, we cross left on the top, and we tighten it. And then we cross the right on the top, and we tighten it. And that's it. The next thing what we're going to do, we're going to weave in the ends. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching. I'm going to put the links down below to my patterns that includes the tassels and their finished object videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye. Like and subscribe.